Alright guys, today I'm going to show you this product called Super Blue. It clarifies and clears up water. It's a great product. It takes about 1 ounce for every 5,000 gallons and the results are amazing. It actually makes the pool water dance. Let's get into this. Alright guys and ladies, here's a little better look at the bottle. 1 ounce clears 5,000 gallons. Crystal clear pool water under all conditions. Look, under all conditions is not completely true. If your water is green, you need chlorine. Bottom line. Full instructions on the back, okay? The nice thing about the bottle is it comes in your 1 ounce increments, so it's easy to measure out, okay? I'm going to show you how I measure it out and actually how I disperse it. And this is the best way I've learned to disperse the product because I've been doing pools for over 20 years now. So before you even do this, you're going to really need to know how many gallons are in your pool. I'm going to add a chart that's for above ground pools so you can pause the video and reference how many gallons that you have. Now that you know how many gallons are actually in your swimming pool, now it's time for me to show you how to disperse it into your pool properly. And this is probably the best way to do it. I've seen a lot of other people do it in not so much a conventional way. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to see the results of what I meant by the pool water dancing, because the clarity is so extreme. And it's going to really give yourself, your family, and the people that come over and swim in your pool, give them that great feeling of being in a pool that just has great clarity. Let me show you. I'm just going to have to show you. So yeah, a lot of people may say, oh man, your pool looks amazing right now. It looks great. And we can see the rippling here, okay? But what I actually use is a milk jug. And using that milk jug, use the lines here to measure out my ounces. So, take the cap off. And I like to take my thumb, you know, that's 1 ounce. And I like to pour it in here. You know, get down to 1 ounce. All right, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to put 2 ounces in here, and don't worry about not being exact, okay? So we're pretty close there. Then we take our jug, stick it in the water, let it fill up, and just shake her around. Go all the way around the pool so you don't have any more product in it. Alright guys and ladies, this is about an hour, hour and a half after I put the product in. So I just swam a little bit. And look at how the water just glistens. Just a couple strokes in the pool and it just looks amazing. $24 for 32 ounces on Amazon. No link in the description. Just go there. Just doing a video to help out. Later.